The plumber innovated and showed off all of his incredible skill to get the job done. He needed to install a valve right there on the pipe, but unfortunately, he couldn't shut off the main valve at all. In other words, the pipe kept gushing water while he carefully tried to apply the glue to fit the valve perfectly. But for him, that was absolutely not a problem, because he had already planned the perfect solution and knew exactly how to complete this kind of job efficiently and without major complications.